Back when my W124 was new, the powers that be thought that Australians couldn't be trusted with electric windows operating without the key in the ignition. Clearly, personal responsibility didn't exist back then. But basically, all it is one wire that's missing from the comfort control unit up to the front door contact switch. It's in socket number E and it's pin number 1. And as you can see, it's in fact completely missing. So there would be a unique cable harness for the Australian version car that doesn't even have this wire. So I just went ahead and made my own. It's a standard female spade connection on one end and one of the smaller bullet female connectors on the other end that's used in various applications on these cars. I had spares lying around, so I didn't have to spend any money on this project other than buying the cable. The passenger side door contact didn't have the expander plug below it, so I couldn't plug anything else in. Fortunately, I had one spare lying around, and that came in very handy, so that's been installed now, and just about to test it. Even fishing the cable through the management trays from the rear to the front of the car wasn't particularly difficult. So this is with no key and the door open. Full control of the electric windows. This feature is what is disabled in the Australian version cars. You cannot do this normally. And just to show that it's working, when the door is closed, there is no operation of the windows at all. And open it, it's back to working again. Here I'm just showing the current consumption of the car currently with the door open. And when it closes, the comfort control module eventually goes to sleep and current consumption goes virtually to zero. This is a healthy electrical system. There is no clock or radio at the moment though.